Hello everyone, today we are going to solve one question of class 9 mathematics surface area volumes exercise 13.1 question number 4. So the question number 4 is given as the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? So we have to find out that how many bricks of dimensions 22.5 into 10 into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out by the container. So let's solve this problem. First, answer 4. First, total area can be painted. Total area can be painted. It is equal to 9.375 meter square. Here it is in meter square. We have to convert it into centimeter because the dimensions of the brick are in centimeter. So after converting this into centimeter, we will get 93,750 centimeter square. Now dimensions of the brick. Dimensions of the brick. Dimensions of the bricks are length is equal to 22.5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, height is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So number of bricks can be painted. It is equal to total area can be painted. Total area can be painted divided by total surface area. Total surface area of one brick. So by putting up the values, we get 93,750 divided by total surface area formula, which is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. By putting up the values, we get 93,750 divided by 2 into length. Here it is 22.5 centimeter, but we can write 22.5 centimeter as 225 by 10. So it will be length is equal to 225 by 10 into breadth 10 plus breadth 10 into height 7.5, but we can write it as 75 by 10, so it will be 10 into 75 by 10 plus height into length 75 by 10 into 225 by 10. Cancel 10 10, and by solving this we will get 93,750 by 2 into 225 plus 75 plus 168.75. Now by cancelling this out, we will get 46,875, and by adding this we will get 468.75, which is equal to 46,875 divided by 468.75. Here point is there, so below it 100 is there. We can move that 100 to up here, so it will be 46,875 divided by 46,875 into 100. Cancelling this, we will get 100, so our answer will be 100. So therefore 100 bricks can be painted out by the container. Thank you for watching.